How to fix formatting issues in Google Docs. First of all, open your Google Docs document where you are experiencing formatting problems. If your text looks uneven or spacing is off, start by selecting the problematic text or press Ctrl+A to highlight the entire document. Next, go to the Format menu at the top and check options like line and paragraph spacing to make sure it's set to your preferred spacing such as 1.15 or 1.5. Adjust it if needed. If the fonts or text styles are inconsistent, use the Styles drop-down in the toolbar to apply uniform styles like normal text or specific heading styles. To fix unwanted indents or margins, click Format, then Align and Indent, and adjust the indentation options to reset them. Sometimes pasting text from other sources causes hidden formatting issues. In that case, clear formatting by selecting the text and clicking the Clear Formatting button, which looks like a T with a slash. You can also use the Paint Format tool to copy formatting from one section and apply it to another for consistency. If tables or images don't align properly, click on them and use the toolbar options or drag handles to adjust your placement. Finally, preview your document in print layout mode to see how the formatting will look on the final page. And that's it. Now you know how to fix formatting issues in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.